Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a new pair of earphones to show you all. They're brand new, truly wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds from Boult Audio and the model is called Tru5ive. These earbuds have some nice features which I'll tell you in this video. So they come in this sort of box packing. You got the Boult Audio branding on the front. Let's see what else is written on it. Okay, looks like we've got some of its features on the bottom side. They support Bluetooth 5.0, are truly wireless earbuds, offer 4 days of battery, produce deep bass and 3D acoustics, have passive noise cancellation, are super lightweight, and also have a built-in microphone. So those were some of its features. Coming to the pricing details, the price on the box says 7,999, but they cost only around 2,499 rupees online. And one more nice feature about these earphones is they're also sweat proof. They're IPX7 rated water resistant, so you can even use them during workouts. Alright guys, so those are all of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review. Let me just tear this packaging. There you go. So the outer cover slides out like this and inside we've got another black box. Let's open it and check out the product. So here it is guys. Looks like along with the earbuds we also got some accessories. The earbuds come in this charging case and holy moly, why is it so big? This charging case is almost the size of my palm. You've got the Boult Audio logo on it. Let me open the case and show you. There you go, here are the truly wireless earbuds. So before I show them to you, let's check out what accessories we got in the box. You've got a pouch over here and some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them. And here's the pouch with some accessories. You get this carry case free with the earbuds. You got the Boult Audio branding on it. Let's open it and see what do we have inside. You get a USB cable for charging the case and a variety of ear hooks and fins in different colors and sizes. You've got neon green, pink and also grey. The quality of these fins look nice, they're made of silicone, feel soft and durable. So those are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the earbuds. The Boult Tru5ive come in this sort of charging case. The charging case is a bit big in size than what you'd normally expect, but feels quite lightweight in the hand. It comes only in black color and has the Boult Audio branding on the top. Let me just peel the sticker. There you go. And as you can see, the top panel looks really glossy, so I guess it'll attract fingerprints easily, and the remaining bottom part has a matte finishing. The case is entirely made of plastic and has a decent build quality. On the left side, you've got a micro USB port for charging the case. The case has a built-in 650 mAh battery and will charge your earbuds whenever you place them inside. Let's open it and finally check out the earbuds. So here they are guys, Boult Audio's Tru5ive wireless earbuds. They come with these ear hooks attached out of the box and by pressing this middle button, the earbuds start charging. You can see a red light on them which indicates the charging status. I don't think they automatically charge, you need to press this button every time you need to charge them. Let me just take them out and show you. Okay, so they're not magnetic and this is how they look like. The Boult Audio's Tru5ive look really funky and attractive and they also weigh quite lightweight in the hand. Each earpiece weighs only around 7.5 grams. Let me show you the case. So this is how the inside looks like. You've got the charging contacts here, but the case is not magnetic. You need to push and fix the earbuds in these slots. Coming back to the Tru5ive, they're Bluetooth 5.0 truly wireless earbuds and the build quality looks pretty good. You've got the Boult Audio branding on the top, an LED indicator and also a microphone on both the earbuds. There's a power button at the center which also doubles as a music play pause button. Now the special thing about them is, these earbuds can be used in both mono as well as stereo mode. That's a super useful feature. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just pair them with my phone, put them on and tell you about the comfort and audio quality. The Boult Audio's Tru5ive earbuds are very comfortable to wear for long time usage. They're lightweight and fit perfectly in my ears. The noise isolation is also good on them. And since these wireless earbuds are IPX7 rated water resistant, they can also be used during workouts. Now let's talk about the audio quality. The audio quality on these earbuds was pretty good. The mids were crisp and clear, you could easily hear the vocals. Talking about the high frequency response, the treble quality was also nice. It felt smooth and was not harsh on the ears. But coming to the bass, I felt the bass was a bit low on it. It was there, but I was not that satisfied with the low frequency response. On the overall, they were doing a good job for the price. The distortion was less even at max volume and the audio output was also satisfactory. As I've told you earlier, these earbuds also have a microphone on them and the mic quality was good during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery life. Each earbud has a built-in 55 mAh battery and on an average I was getting around 2.5 to 3 hours of battery life at 75% volume level. And to charge them you just need to place the earbuds in the case and press the button to start charging. The case can charge your earbuds up to 3 to 4 times and took around 1.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Tru5ive wireless earbuds. The build quality was nice, can be used in both mono and stereo mode, they're IPX7 rated, water resistant, and offer a decent battery life. The only few things I felt the company could improve was they should have added magnetic auto charging feature in the case, and also the base could have been slightly punchier. Rest everything else was fine. They cost around 2,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.